Un momento, un momento. Bueno, mi gente, yo no hablo ñoña como los demás. Pero primero, o sea, esto va dirigido al Tribunal Supremo de Estados Unidos y al de Puerto Rico. Así que por aquí vamos. Listen, U.S. Supreme Court of Puerto Rico, both of you are a corporate commercial business. I have exposed it. So, you don't have constitutional power, you don't have jurisdiction, and you don't have legal standing. Sorry. You know that I had problems because I told you, I gave you the information, but still you let it happen because everything for you is business, right? Well, for me too. So, I don't care whatever you have to say. I am the winner. I won my cases and I want compensation and let me think. Reparations. Okay? Otherwise, everyone, each and everyone that participated in what they did to me almost 3 years ago, and now, because again, you already know it because I told you, they will pay. I'm not talking about violence. I'm not a violent person. All of you know who I am, etc. You got all my information, everything. Okay? First Bank of Puerto Rico and Banco Popular of Puerto Rico has DUNS number, D-U-N-S number, right? So they have trillions, quadrillions, I don't know, but this is a deception. They have been deceiving us, right? But I won the case. So I want my money. And please tell the Department of Treasury that is also a corporation, business, private business, corporation, that I want my bonds. I want it transferred as money. In my numbers, I have more than quadrillions, okay? So it won't affect you because they are numbers in a computer system, just like the others, you know. Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, J.P. Morgan, Rockefellers, you name it. You know, all the slaves of the Rothschilds. But let me tell you this. Not only you have deceived us, and you have making us poor each and every day. Let me tell you this. I found two DUNS number of the Supreme Court. 0395-28960 and 0902-82513. Okay? One of the problems is with HUD. They haven't answered my letters, certified letters, and they haven't answered anything. Well, HUD is a private, corporate, commercial business. DUNS number 036-886-716. Okay? I also sent an email to ATF. They haven't answered. They are a private, corporate, commercial business. DUNS number 122-713-848. Okay? All of you, I don't give a damn who the name of the persons. I don't care if it's the Trilateral Commission made by the Rockefellers, by the way, just like United Nations, that is also a corporation, private business corporation, and has DUNS number. I don't care. I want what I asked for in my letters, in the letter that I sent to Jacob Rothschild, and the address is the foundation of the Rothschilds. They, again, didn't deliver my certified letter to the Banco Popular, and I have been exposing it. You have to see it. So, United States Postal Service is also a private, corporate, commercial business. DUNS number 003261245. You see? They not only have been stealing things and stealing the money that we pay to send a certified letter, etc., they also have billions, trillions, quadrillions, etc. They are accountable, just like all of you. Okay, in that letter, I am making a proposal to Banco Popular. At this day, that letter hasn't been delivered. Well, guess what? Now, like I said months before, now I want what I asked for months before. Okay? Banco Popular and First Bank of Puerto Rico. All that has been done against me is illegal and is unconstitutional. But I'm going to read some DUNS numbers of different agencies, including transportation, etc., of Puerto Rico. So what they did with my car is illegal and is unconstitutional. I'm going to say it in Spanish. I don't need to translate. We are paying, well, let me rephrase. All the billions, trillions, and quadrillions, etc., that have been stolen from us because of you, because you invented the corporation and all this crap and the trust fund of Puerto Rico. Okay, you have employees that can translate what I'm going to read right now. Okay, I'm going to start by Emergencias Médicas de Puerto Rico. DUNS number 136-577-413. Ciencias Forenses. DUNS number 131-44-7021. Department of Agriculture, Departamento de Agricultura. DUNS number 090078619. This is incredible. Partido Independentista Puertorriqueño. DUNS number. You know, I'm going to continue reading because Partido Independentista Puertorriqueño, DUNS number 043557086. Departamento de Transportación y Obras Públicas, DUNS number 180536567. Partido Popular Democrático, DUNS number 049439904. Listen, Supreme Court of the United States. Listen, Supreme Court of Puerto Rico, Poder Judicial. La Cámara de Representantes, DUNS number 603096186. Has another DUNS number 022470417. The Department of Justice of Puerto Rico, el Departamento de Justicia de Puerto Rico, DUNS number 091072579, has another DUNS number 178467734, has another DUNS number 113981257, has three DUNS number. The Department of Justice of Puerto Rico. Oficina de Administración de Tribunales, DUNS number 105. Sorry, I'm going to read it again. 105-450-014. Listen again, Supreme Court of the United States, Puerto Rico, Poder Judicial. El Senado has DUNS number 044861228. La Comisión Estatal de Elecciones, the Commission of State Elections, has DUNS number 044534875. The Commonwealth of Puerto Rico, Estado Libre Asociado, has DUNS number 118162-700. It has another DUNS number 967-957-585. The Department of Health of Puerto Rico, Departamento de Salud, Controlor Mellao, has DUNS number 044535980. Oficina Ejecutiva del ELA, the Executive Office of the Commonwealth of Puerto Rico, has DUNS number 964996149. Departamento de Hacienda, the Department of Treasury of Puerto Rico, has DUNS number 044493283 and has 4 other numbers, DUNS numbers. Oficina de Administración de Tribunales del Tribunal Supremo, Office of the Administration of Courts of Puerto Rico, of the Supreme Court, Poder Judicial, has DUNS number 030956083. The Municipality of Mayagüez, the ones that has to do with everything that they had done to me almost 3 years ago, and now has 2 DUNS number 136-658-221. The other one 134-972-710. Listen, the Department of Education of Puerto Rico, el Departamento de Educación de Puerto Rico, has DUNS number, listen, 090142522. Another one, 002053752. Another one, 002111678. Another one, 002141339. Another one, 003059256. Another one, 004035232. Another one, 004320462. Another one, 004785618. Another one, 0785098808. And the last one that I found, 0541111505. The police department, you know, the business, el negociado de la policía de Puerto Rico, has DUNS number 09 06 6955. Another one, 800 404 779. Another one, 965 648 504. The Department of Public Safety, Departamento de Seguridad, has DUNS number 945-081-607. Has another one, 945-088-289. Head Start of the Municipality of Mayagüez has DUNS number 136-658-221. Autoridad de Carreteras y Transportación, the Authority of Transportation and Roads, or whatever you want to call it, has DUNS number 0885413991. Do you really think that you can force us or force me to do something? You are a lousy, corrupt, corporate, commercial, private business. The business has no power, only to do business. You know, the courts, you know, the cases, you know, everything that you have been doing since 1871. And in Puerto Rico since 1953. Wow. I even told you, Supreme Court of the United States, that you have violated with the sentence or decision or whatever you want to call it of the Chevron doctrine. You violated the Fourth Amendment. And I told you once again, I'm repeating, read it. Read the Fourth Amendment. So you have violated the Constitution and your canons of ethics, just like Puerto Rico. You know, you have been doing this shit every day. But thanks to you, and thanks to your acts and omissions, I won. And I won like never before in my life. You know, I'm so pleased with myself. And like I have been saying, I'm the best judge, lawyer, attorney, prosecutor that ever existed, because no one has exposed what I have been exposing. Nobody in the United States, when the false pandemic was on, nobody was talking about Marbury versus Madison, 1803. I was the only one in Puerto Rico, and the only one in the States that told the people, we the people, listen, they can do this, they cannot do this because of this case. The Constitution is the supreme law. After me, a couple of people in the States starting to mention the case, but they did nothing. And I'm going, related to this, I'm going to say you something, so don't forget it. Because of the false pandemic that you created, that Donald J. Trump created in March 17, 2020, that was submitted in Congress in January 2019. 2019. You killed my sister, Alexandra Concepcion, because she had Down syndrome. And people with disabilities, it's not business for you. Don't you ever forget that. I want my money. I want what I ask, what I have been asking. So, you know, the banks that I mentioned, tell them they have to pay me, and they have to correct all the errors that and violation that they have been committing. And I want my compensation. I want my reparations from the both banks. That is a part of what is mine. You know, the trust fund, Treasury Direct, QSIP number. Should I go on and on? Let me tell you this, just in case, right? Because people hears Dunn's number and they don't know what it is. Well, I'm going to tell them. Sorry. Let me find it. No, but I'm going to read this. When a private entity, just like you, is engaged in or performs a government function, they are subject to the laws of the Constitution. Evans versus Newton, 382 U.S. 296, 1966, 86, and Marsh versus Alabama, 326 U.S. 501 1946. You did it, and you are supposed to not do it. Dunn's number is a number that these people gives, Dunn and Bradstreet, gives to business, corporations. Is a identifier number, so they can use it globally, also including Wall Street and the Department of Treasury auctions. You think that I don't know that? Again, I want my money and I want it now. Okay? You can make things happen in the blink of an eye, right? Well, I want it. And I want it now. You want me to stop? Pay me. Give me all that I asked for because it's mine. It's not yours. You hear me? U.S. Supreme Court? You hear me? Supreme Court of Puerto Rico, Poder Judicial. I don't give. You know what? Just make it happen. Under my conditions, under my specs. I want it, and I want it now. It's not yours. You know, I have lots and lots of ancestors. You know, they don't give a shit. They are protecting me. I don't care if you believe or not. Well, you, the Rosa Illuminatis, believe in Baphomet, Lucifer, whatever. Well, you better believe in my ancestors, because they are ready. They don't fool around. They don't joke. They don't sleep. I don't want to send them. You think this is bluff? Well, there is only one way to find out. Right? You want war against me? Do you know who I am? I'll ask you again. Do you know who I am? And you might be thinking, well, this guy doesn't have firearms. This guy doesn't have nothing. Well, it's very true, I don't have firearms. But again, I'm not going to make them, you, all of you, pay with violence. You'll see. If you give me what I want because it's mine, it won't happen. Okay? I have been saying to you, listen, I want to help the corporation. I was born and raised under the corporation. I don't have any problem with that. But I found out that you have been fucking me, deceiving me. Well, it's payback time. So, once again, pay me. And I want it now. You can do things in less than a minute. So do it. I will check my account. I will check the mailbox. Because I told you that I want my Juris Doctor diploma. I have proven that I'm better than any of you. You see? Because you are business. Me is defending, is making justice for we the people. And like I said in a past video that I made today, the 13 states, not colonies. Colonies were applied because of the British. It's the 13 states. That flag is going to be my flag from now on. I was born in Brooklyn, New York. And I know the whole story before 1789 and after 1789. So, I hope you sleep well.